this is me and my little sister Kylie, and today we are going to explore my first mind-blowing science experiment, and we're going to unbox it. So let's get started. Okay. Here you go, Kylie. Hold this. Instruction manual. Open it up. There are a lot of things in here. Vegetable oil. These are cups. Wow. Oh my goodness, there are so many packets. Ah. Come on, bring them up. Oh, color tablets. Yay, we can pour them. I think they'll just blow out. There you go, put them in. Yeah. Do you know what these are called? Do you remember what this is? Yes. What is it? I remember this. Test tube. Okay. These are for drinking water. No. Okay. This is for cooking water. No. Ooh, we have some red cabbage juice salad. We can make some things out of it. Cornstarch. We can make some slime. Baking soda. Cross-linked polyacrylic. Copolymer. This is very hard to pronounce. And it's citric acid. Be very careful with this. Oh, there's some spoons for eating. No! And there's some earbuds for our ears. No, it's not for our ears. Okay. Just kidding. Tablet. No, it's color tablet. Okay. So there are how many? There are 11 activities. So we are going to try the 11th activity. Mix colors with your eyes. What? Yes, we are. Okay. So now, first of all, the supplies we need are 3 test tubes, color tablets. Yeah, color tablets are here. And the test tube stand. And what we need to get is some water. So we have taken some water in this cup. So that's the first step. Guys, don't spill the water. Yeah, we have to be very careful with the water. And we hold the test tube and fill it up. So we have 2 cups here. And once you have filled it, then the next step is to put it in the stand. Once we put it, the next step in the manual is to put the color tablets, and the color tablets, the amazing thing about these things are, like, once they hit the water, it will dissolve and change the color of the water. It will change to blue if the color tablet is blue. So now it told us to take the blue tablet and drop it in. So now here comes the magic. It's going to dissolve. Yeah. See that? See? It's dissolving. Whoa! It's dissolving, and that is very cool. It looks like dish soap. Yeah, it looks like a dish soap. Like, see how you can still see the tablet there? It is so cool. It looks so cool. Yeah, it's so cool. Now, give me the stand. Let's put it in the stand so it doesn't spill. And then after we fill it with the water, what we need to do is now fill another test tube. Kylie is only 5 years old, and she's a little small for this. So I'm going to pour the water in. We're going to have pour 3/4 water in the test tube. And now, Kylie, you can put the tablet that you want. Yeah. Let's see what happens. She's gonna put the yellow one. Okay, tablet. Yeah, so cool. Yeah, it looks cool. Look at the tablet. Here you go, you hold it. Hold it carefully, though. Yeah. It's like a sponge in the tomato. Yeah, hold it tight. So it does not fall. It's like a sponge in the middle. It's fuzzy. Like crazy. That looks like some syrup. That looks like a sponge in the water. It's like a honey. It's like a honey. Bumblebee takes some honey and makes some honey. Now look. That's this and this. I don't know what happened. This is slightly too much water. So you might notice that as it's dissolving, the tablet is shrinking. Yeah. This is fully dissolved and we can't see the tablet anymore. Yeah, but I can see mine. Because it's still dissolving. Yeah, it's still dissolving. So if you mix blue and green, you will get, blue and yellow, you will get green. Yes. So now, what we are going to try is putting lights near these colors. So the first thing you need to do is you need to hold it like this on the tops and hold them together and then take a light. Yeah, it makes green. If you look over here, can you see the green? Yeah, it makes green. See? Or if you even try it like this, yeah, you still get green. Yeah, still you get green. No matter if go there, nothing happens, it's still green. So now, even if you take another test tube, like this, the third test tube, and you try to mix them both. So you pour some of the yellow and green actually. It still makes so you can see the yellow inside, and you pour the blue inside. It makes green again. So let me. It makes a dark green. Wow, that shows it. See, it makes a dark green. See? So that's what it makes. Yeah. So that's the great thing about light. You don't even have to mix the colors. You can just hold them both close together. No matter, but if it go the yellow go there and the blue go there, still this color. If they're not the same color, it'll be different color. So that's the experiment. I hope you liked it, and I will see you in the next episode. Please subscribe and like this video and share this video. We'll see you back.